Hi, this is my Santa's Corvette.
Ho, 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 ho! Happy holidays!
So the model is Corvette C6 Z06 and it was stock car when it came to Finland, and now we have made it drift car. The most important thing, vehicle. And the second one is under the hood, so it has LS7, so 7 liter. It has 700 horsepower and the boost is 4.45 and it has Edelbrock supercharge. And the difference with LS3 to this LS7 with this camshaft is it's making the NASCAR sound on high RPM. In the front is rotiform, and now we are running winter duress because we are making winter videos. Normally we are running Toyo R888. We are running now semi-slicks and it has the 5-star duress, so it's not Valinos, but they are quite grippy. The tread wear is 180 and it's wide like 285 and 18-inch walk racing rims. So the rear has radiator and the wide swap arms. Now the powertrain is stock, but it's coming like Samsung as sequential and also the winters. The interior has, of course, the carbon fiber, and then it has Max-Secu PDM and Max-Secu Pro engine management. Next season we are driving Nets Drift Championship, so stay tuned for more. So, Drift VIP giveaway is now live. Now you can win 2 VIP tickets for Driftmasters Finland. What you have to do is go to shop.grumblo.com and buy something and you are in. The more you buy, the better chance you have to win.